is coming upon you to accomplish it. You shall accomplish it because the mantle of divine acceleration is falling down, now. Somebody yes, in the name of Jesus.
In recognition of over 3 decades of unwavering dedication and service to the gospel and God's kingdom, your commitment of spreading the message of peace, love, faith, and compassion has been a beacon of hope for countless souls globally. Through your nurturing guidance, you have raised sons and daughters who have carried forward your legacy of kindness and spiritual enlightenment. Your profound impact in this generation has resonated deeply, inspiring others to walk in the path of righteousness. Ladies and sisters, with the deepest gratitude and admiration, join me as I make welcome Dr. Bishop Patricia Grace Walker for the Presidential Award Honorary of I Am That Woman Organization, the 9th edition 2024.